Good morning student, class 10th probability chapter number 5. Now student, this is the new word for you, probability. First of all, we will see the background of probability. Student, in the mathematics, probability is the one of the most important branch nowadays, which is having application in industrial mathematics calculations, in the science and in the e-commerce also. Nowadays probability is sometimes generally known as the use for the to reduce the calculation, but the definition of probability is the number of possible possible outcomes in an event or in any event is known as probability. Suppose you know student, the coin is tossed. Once a coin is tossed, suppose event A, the coin is tossed, means a single coin is tossed, one coin is tossed, you know that there may have head or tail. It means that two possible outcomes are there. We write here as H, T, head or tail. This is the equal likely possibility or equally like event. Now this is A. A is the event and this is the sample space for it. We will see what is sample space in details in the next video also. But only we have to clear this definition first, the number of possible outcomes in an event, any event. Now I hope so. What is definition of probability? What is probability? If two coins are tossed, suppose B is the event, and if two coins are tossed, then student, on either face, head, tail can one is head, one is tail. Next, head can you can get. Next, T can get, means both are tail, or first one is tail and second one is head. All these possibilities can be happen, so that B is the event you may get. So that these are the various possibilities in case of coins. Next we will see in case of cards, playing cards. Again we will see again in case of dice. If dice is thrown, what is the probability? So we will discuss in the next video all of that. Now next important thing is basic of this probability is random experiment. Now you will hear while learning this chapter this word random experiment many of the times. What is the random experiment? Random experiments is that where all possible events or outcomes are already known. It means that what will happen, either or both of the result will known. If you toss a coin, you know that if there is head or there is tail. This is the random experiment. All the possible event or outcomes are already known. Now student, See here, outcomes. This is the one of the most, again, outcomes. This word will be used, outcomes. This is what the result of random experiment. The result of random experiment is nothing but outcomes. The result of random experiment, result of random experiment is the outcome. So student, equally like next one is equally like outcomes. What is equally like outcomes? Suppose if a dice is thrown, S is equal to sample space 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, means the possibility of upper space on the dice is equal 1, 2 or 3, 4, 5, 6. All possibilities are equal. Student, today you have to go through your textbook. You have given on the very first page details regarding this. You have to learn all this, and we will see, revise all this thing while solving the examples in the exercise 5.1, so that please read, go through it, and if you face a difficulty, please ask me. And we are having also solved problem, we have to look forward your textbook also. Thank you, student.